What's going on, y'all? I hope you guys are having a great day. And we're back with some all right news. I mean, something that's replaceable. I wish I didn't have to do it, but it is what it is. I got the replacement part. I'm going to show you guys what it is here in about 2 seconds. So let me go show you. Okay, so as you guys know, I bought this car back in August of 24, and I bought it on my birthday, my 19th birthday. So I think about late September, I bought my clear side markers. This one's doing good, but I ended up having a problem with this one, right? Most of the lights are out. Go ahead and turn it off. And all the yellowing, that would be water. That's great. This one, nothing wrong with that one, but I'm still going to replace it anyways. But my replacement set in, brand new. They're good lights. I do kind of wish I got the white ones, the white LED ones. I wish I did get the white LED ones and not the red LEDs. But these are fine. It doesn't bother me too much. But so I got the replacements. I do have a couple errands I gotta run before, and I'm gonna take y'all with me. So hopefully soon I'm gonna have some more parts come in. We are still going to Tennessee for rod runs, so that's gonna be a fun time. I gotta find a trailer to get my car down there, and I guess we'll do a little update really quick on my carbon fiber parts that I put on. They've been on for about, I'm gonna say 2 months right now. I know a video just came out on them, but I've been having some problems with some of the footage that's going through my phone, and it's getting deleted and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a little bit of a rundown on everything for my 3 carbon fiber parts that I've got. So door handles, gas cover, and my carbon fiber mirrors. So go ahead and give you guys a little rundown on that, and let's go ahead and do that. So carbon mirrors doing great. Obviously I haven't driven out with them yet, but they're looking really good. Again, these are real carbon fiber. Same with these, nothing wrong with them. Again, also real carbon fiber. Again, just the covers. And then I still have the gas cover. I still have had a couple questions online of the fitment of it. It does not stick out. Like, I mean, it sticks out barely anything. I mean, it's so thin you can't even tell. But everything else, I mean, I've had no problems so far. So so no sticking sounds. So it's not going to come off. Plus it clicks in these little grooves in here. I have a couple different things I'm going to end up getting that I'm hoping is going to be E85. Now, if that actually happens, I don't know, but that is the plan. I'm hoping to have about 515 to the wheel before we go to rod run. Now, like a couple other cosmetic stuff I want to get done. I don't know if it'll happen before rod run because I have a couple other things I have to get done. I have to get new tires and stuff like that for the truck. But I'm hoping to do carbon fiber hood and carbon. I kind of want to do the new GTD fenders. I think those are cool. But for now, I think I'm just going to be carbon hood and carbon GT 350 fenders with a red Mach 1 bumper. But so that's going to be like the next couple things because I'm working from back, sides, roof, front bumper, hood, and then interior, and then like more power mods kind of thing. I know there's going to be some stuff I'm going to be skipping at a time, like for power mods. It's not really going to be power mods. It's going to be just like 2 catch cans, one for driver, one for passenger. But that is just more of a safety thing than power mods and stuff. So we're going to go ahead, run those errands. We're going to come back. I'm going to replace that light over there. And let's get into it. right, y'all, just got home from the gym. I got a couple things I gotta move out of the way to get to that rear side marker. Doing this for y'all. It's freezing out here, and we don't have a heater in here yet. It's cold. All right, y'all, I'm gonna try this the best I can, but you have to stick your hand up underneath the car and push the piece out. So let me go ahead and push it out, and I'll kind of show you like kind of what I did. All right, just so you can kind of see what I did, I just kind of went up underneath of the bumper, pushed it out. It don't come out, like, you don't have to push like crazy hard. If you're pushing super hard, that means you're probably gonna break it. It should just be like an easy kind of push out, but there's still like a little bit of force you have to put behind it. Next thing, without me scratching my paint, they're plug and play, so I just have to unplug that and plug the other one in. So there's a little tab back there you have to push to be able to get this out. Okay, so then now to unlodge, just take the regular wrapper off. Okay, next thing I forgot to show you guys is that you have to pull the wires out of here. So as you can see on this one, it plugs in that little adapter. If I can get it to focus, there we go. It plugs into that little adapter to plug into that. There's no clips or anything, you just pull it out, but it's a little garnished on it. Same with the piece in here. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean that out really quick. All right, so I'm just taking some of this little QD contact cleaner. I'm just gonna spray it in there. Once you get that all cleaned out, it's all plug and play. You're just gonna take it and plug it in. Make sure it's making good contact point. And then it's ready to plug in, put it back in your car. This will only plug in one way. The clip side should plug into the clip side from the male to the female. You should almost hear it click. There's a little rubber grommet down here. That way moisture can't get in here. And then other than that, kind of just tuck the wire in. So you want to go from back to the front. Because the back, it just kind of lodges in the back. The front part clips in. So you want to push in the back first, and then the front. You hear it click, and you're all good. So everything's there, is good. We're going to go check the other side. There's the new one. There's the other one. Now, they both still look the same color, so I'm not going to replace it. Looks like I'm going to have to replace this side too. Not LEDs going all the way across, so I'm going to go ahead and replace this side really quick. All right, so I went ahead and did the other side. Got that one taken out. That was the hard one. All right, you're going to do the same thing. All right, I got it clicked in. So again, you're going to look at it. It needs to go this way. See that little piece right there? So make sure you push your wires in. So slip the back in first, like that. Okay, that's all the way in the edge. This side, and then just gonna push it in, and it's in place. So y'all, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys find this helpful, and I never did a video on it in the first place.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
So that's my bad for that, but I kind of got you guys on a re-up, even though mine went bad. It only takes 5 minutes to replace, but I wish I didn't have to replace them, but it's all right. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. See you guys later.